discussed about parenchyma tissue. Now let us talk about another simple permanent tissue, that is collenchyma tissue. Collenchyma is a type of simple permanent tissue. The cells that make collenchyma tissue are living cells. These cells are elongated, means long. There is very less space between the cells of collenchyma tissue. The cell wall is thick at the corners. You can see in the diagram these thick cell wall in the corners of collenchyma cells. Now, where is collenchyma tissue found? Collenchyma tissue is found in the leaf stalks below the epidermis. You might have noticed that the branches and tendrils of plants bend without breaking. Why do they not break? They do not break because they are flexible. And this flexibility in the branches and tendrils comes from collenchyma tissue. So, collenchyma tissue gives flexibility to the plants. This tissue helps in bending of branches and tendrils. Now let's see the main points again. The cells of collenchyma are living. The cells are elongated. Very little intercellular space is present. Cell wall is irregularly thick at the corners. It is present in leaf stalks below the epidermis. It gives flexibility to the plant and allows the plant parts like branches and tendrils to bend without breaking. Now let's talk about the third type of simple permanent tissues, that are sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma tissue makes the plant and its parts hard and stiff. Have you seen the husk of coconut? It is hard. And why it is hard? It is hard because it is made up of sclerenchyma tissue. The cells that make sclerenchyma tissue are dead cells. These cells are long and thin. They are narrow. The cell wall is thick. And why the cell wall is thick? The cell wall is thick because of a substance called lignin that deposits in the cell wall. What deposits in the cell wall of sclerenchyma tissue? Lignin. Right. There are no spaces between the cells of sclerenchyma tissue. Why? Because of the thick cell wall. Where is sclerenchyma tissue found? Sclerenchyma tissue is found in the stems, vascular bundles and the veins of leaves. You might have observed that the veins of leaves are stiff, little hard in comparison to the lamina or leaf blade. Why is it so? The veins are stiff or hard because they are made of sclerenchyma tissue. Sclerenchyma tissue is also found in the hard coverings of seeds and nuts. The function of sclerenchyma tissue is to give strength to the plant parts and make them strong. Now let's revise the main points again. Sclerenchyma cells are dead. The cells are long and narrow. Cell wall is thick due to the deposition of lignin. No intercellular space is present. Sclerenchyma tissue is present in stems, around the vascular bundles, in the veins of leaves and in the hard coverings of seeds and nuts. Sclerenchyma makes the plant part hard and stiff. It gives strength to the parts of the plant. We have discussed in detail about the three types of simple permanent tissues. What are these three types? Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Let us compare all these in a tabular form. Parenchyma, the cells are living. Collenchyma, cells are living. Sclerenchyma cells are dead cells. In parenchyma, the cell wall is thin. In collenchyma, the cell wall is irregularly thick at the corners. In sclerenchyma, cell wall is thick and it is due to the deposition of lignin. In parenchyma, cells are loosely arranged with large intercellular spaces. In collenchyma, very little intercellular space is present. In sclerenchyma, there is no intercellular space. In parenchyma, cells are generally spherical. Collenchyma cells are elongated. In sclerenchyma, the cells are long and narrow. The function of parenchyma is to store food. Collenchyma gives flexibility and mechanical support to the plant. Sclerenchyma gives strength to the different parts of the plant. Now, can you tell me which simple permanent tissue gives flexibility to plants? Parenchyma, collenchyma or sclerenchyma? Which gives flexibility to plants? Absolutely right, collenchyma. Collenchyma tissue gives flexibility to plants.